What's up guys, this is Peter and I come from China and our company is Lanphan Industry Company Ltd. And today we are going to introduce our new product. This is our glass reactor. You can see this is our decarboxylation reactor. For this reactor we have many different volumes. We have 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter and 10 liter, 20 liter, and this is 50 liter. We also have 100 liter, and if you need a 200 liter we can customize for this product for you. This is a double layer reactor. This is our controller, and here you can see the red button. You can turn over this button and can choose the steering speed for this steering. And here you can see a model, and this is 450 RPM, and you can see here it's very clear, right? And you can see here this is our vacuum gauge, and it's going to be connected with vacuum pump. Here you can see all the way up here, this is our cold condenser, and it's going to be connected to the chiller, and goes down way to here. You can see this is our receiving flask. This reactor is a decarboxylation reactor. For this one, receiving flask, this is 10 liters, and we also provide 20 liters. This reactor, we have stainless steel as a body, and also on the bottom we have 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 wheels. So even this is very huge, a massive product, but it's very easy to move anywhere you want. So if you are interested in this product, just tell us.